adventurers! We're here at the Howard Johnson's Anaheim in the newly remodeled Building 2.
They have so many amazing new rooms here, and we can't wait to show you them.
Let's get started!
Alright, room 2220. Here we go.
Here!
The Mickey painting right as you walk in. I'm obsessed.
Oh, that looks so cool.
Home sweet home.
Oh my gosh, all this space. I love it.
My favorite thing is that the second I walk in, there's a microwave, a coffee maker, and a fridge. Like, this is gonna be perfect for getting out to the parks. As the insiders, we've stayed in a lot of hotels with our travel, and so we really can say that the way that these Hojo rooms are laid out are perfect. There's so much space in these. On either side of this king bed, there's this drawer here, and there's even a cubby down there. And over here, there are 2 drawers so that you can hold all your clothes, and even there's like room for your suitcase here. Infinite space.
There is literally so much room in this closet. Not to mention, they have this awesome laptop safe right here. But I have something way more valuable than my laptop that I keep in there. My Mickey ears. But there's tons of room. There's also an ironing board and an iron, as well as tons of hanger space. Obviously enough for me to fit in there, so we'll have to call it space.
One of the best parts about this room is how spacious it is. It's got a king-size bed and room for a crib or rollaway. With that, this room sleeps up to 3 people.
Okay, so my favorite thing about this room is that there is so much counter space. If you look around, you can charge your phone, you can charge your batteries, your cameras. I mean, it's literally perfect, and there's even 2 power outlets on each side of the bed.
All right, done. My favorite part of this room here at Hojo's is this table right here, because while Eric's working over there, I can work over here, and this is also kind of like an eating table or a work table or a play table or whatever you want to do with it. And you'll get a great view of the pool as you sit here working away.
This bathroom is so big. With 2 sinks, it makes it even easier to get ready in the morning. And look at this lighted mirror. It makes putting on makeup so easy. And of course, even on a Disney trip, you gotta binge your favorite shows, which is why it's great that they have an internet TV with a built-in Netflix button. And sometimes they even have an Amazon Alexa for some extra fun.
Seriously, I am obsessed with the artwork that's in this room. This Eric Robeson Mickey Mouse is so cool. These rooms here at Hojo's really have a really awesome, like, retro, modern vibe to them. So these Mickeys fit perfectly. They also have these really cool paintings here. This was done by Shag. But right here is an artist's rendition of DisneyLand. That's the Matterhorn, the old school Skyliner, which isn't even at Disneyland anymore. It's kind of like the perfect iconic retro Disney family that they have going on over there. The artwork in this room is fantastic. Well, there you have it. That is the newly remodeled Building 2.
They have so many awesome rooms here at Hojo Anaheim. You have to stay here.
We hope to see you here on your next adventure.
See you next time.